Have you always been intrigued by leatherwork but never known actually where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. I started bag making about 15 years ago, and I'd always been a real avid sewer, and as soon as I started working with leather, I just fell in love with it. It's such a lovely material to work with. It always really surprises people when I say to them that they can sew leather on a home domestic sewing machine. Our online bag making road trip is a really good introduction to anyone wanting to start working with leather. We are going to introduce you to the basic principles of leather bag making and show you just how fun and easy it can be. You will not need lots of expensive equipment, just your sewing machine, and we pretty much cover the rest. We have 3 designs for you to learn all the basic principles and introduce you to professional bag making techniques. We also show you all the ways to customize your designs with applique techniques. You'll be a fashion accessories designer before you know it. As an added bonus, we're including a mini course which is a great intro to bag making and upcycling. When you sign up to our bag making road trip, we're going to send you all the kits to make the bag, so that includes all the leather, all the lining and all the hardware. We also include a starter leather toolkit, and we'll be posting all these things to you straight to your door wherever you are in the world. And of course you'll have access to all of our professional bag making experts, so if any of you get stuck or you've got questions, we're always here to help. Bag making can become very addictive, so watch out, you might get hooked. I can't wait to meet you and see all your creations.